Expert Option is an online trading platform primarily focused on options trading. While trading involves risks and there's no guaranteed profit, here's a guide on how traders aim to make money on platforms like Expert Option. Educate yourself. Before starting, educate yourself about options trading. Understand the market, financial instruments, and the risks involved. Create an account. Sign up and create an account on the Expert Option platform. Practice with a demo account. Many trading platforms, including Expert Option, offer demo accounts. Practice trading with virtual money to understand the platform and test your strategies. Market analysis. Perform thorough market analysis using technical and fundamental analysis tools. Stay informed about market trends, news, and economic indicators. Risk management. Set clear risk management strategies. Use stop-loss orders and avoid risking more than you can afford to lose on any trade. Choose trading instruments. Expert Option offers various trading instruments. Choose the type of options or assets you want to trade based on your analysis. Start with small investments. Begin with small investments, especially if you are a beginner. As you gain experience and confidence, you can consider increasing your investment amounts. Continuous learning. Markets evolve and strategies need adjustment. Stay engaged in continuous learning, follow market updates, and adapt your approach accordingly. Withdraw profits. If you make profits, consider withdrawing a portion of them. Don't solely reinvest all your earnings.